Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In this lesson, we are learning about the loops, one of the most powerful tools in any programming language. Like loops help you repeat tasks like printing, checking, or calculating without writing the same code over and over again. Let's break down the three main types of loops in Java: for, while, and do while with real life examples. So let me write the for loop. So in my previous video in if else statements, right? Uh, I got to know that you are not able to see how I'm creating class, right? See, just now I'm just right clicking on the basic package, going to the new and going to the class. So first you have to right click on the basic new class, and here I will be writing the name. Now I will be writing the loops, right? So loops. Okay, so should be main class, so I'm doing that. Yeah, this is the way to prepare class. Yeah, done. So now we are discussing about for loop. The for loop is perfect when you exactly know how many times something needs to repeat, like printing a message 5 times, like that. So what I will do, I will write one thing: system dot out dot print ln. Okay, so I will write this is the printing statement. So what I will do here, I will write number, and I will write plus 1. Okay, oh sorry, number 1. Okay, so here, so if I want number 1, then I will print like this. And again, if I have to copy like this, if I write means in number 2, num- number 3, number 4. Okay, done. I'm saving and I'm running this. So what it will do, number one, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I am writing the four printing statements for writing the number one, 2, 3, 4. So if there are 100, what you will do, will you write copy paste, copy paste, copy paste again and again? No, right? So for that, there is a simple way to solve this problem. That is the for loop. So how to write the for loop? First you have to write for, and in brackets, and open this and close this. Yeah, now in this bracket we have to write the condition int I equal to 1. Okay, I am starting from the number 1. I equal to 1. Here what it will do, I equal to 1 means it is the starting point. Okay, at first we have to write the starting points, and we have to write the stopping condition. You are starting one place and you have to stop at one place. So I want to, how many numbers we want to print? Like I want to print four numbers. Okay, as number 1, these only I have to print four numbers. So I less than or equal to 4. Okay, so this is I told, right, all the relational operators. I less than or equal to 4. And after that, what we need to do, it is the stopping condition. Okay, we have written starting condition and we have written stopping condition. Now if I'm writing start and end, so will it okay? No, we have to write the increment, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4 we have to print. So that's why we have to write increment condition. It is nothing but I plus plus. Okay, done. So if I run this program now, see, number 1, 2. Okay, it is not incrementing, huh? Okay, see, I am printing here 1, so I have to print here I. Okay, so this is the main mistake I have done, the application. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, done. So for loop, so imagine counting how many jumping jacks you do: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's a for loop. Okay, you got it right. So writing the code multiple times, for this we can use. So for 100 times, if I write here 100, it will print 1, 2, 3, 4 to up to 100. Okay, no need, it will take more time. That's why I'm not printing now. So you can try it on your own. Okay, now for loop done. Okay, for loop it's okay. What we have done, just we have written for starting condition, closing condition, and the increment one. Okay, increment each time. Okay, now we will be using while loop. Okay, while loop. So for while loop, what we have to do, we have to use a while loop like when we are not sure how many times we have to repeat. So here I am sure, pretty sure, I just want to give four numbers or exactly 10 numbers or exact. But using the while loop, I'm not sure like how many times I have to repeat. So, but I know the condition. I know the condition, but I'm not sure how many times it should have to repeat. Okay, so let me take one number int n equal to 1 I am taking. Okay, so what I am doing, while condition. Similarly, same like this. See, if, else, for, everything is like writing if or writing while. We have to take one brackets and after that open close. Now in while we have to write the condition. Number, if number, like sorry, while number is less than or equal to 3, what it should have to do, it should have to print, sorry, number, in place of number I have written n. I thought I have given number, so I have to print. Okay, and it should be n. Okay, and n plus plus. Okay, so what, see here what I mean, I'm not sure how many times I have to repeat, but I know the condition. See, only it should be have to be less than 3, but the starting number I don't know. Whichever number you give, how many times it wants to print, that you want to print that only. Okay, so like keep reading a book, like you are using a mobile, you are playing a game, free fire. Okay, so you are playing till the battery is dead. Okay, what you're doing, you are reading, sorry, you are playing while the battery is not dead. Okay, after that you can play, right? So that means here what you're doing, you don't know how much time you're playing, but you know the at that particular time you should have to stop. Matlab ending condition. So at this time we will use, see, I will run this application now. I have saved, first we have to save it. Control S is the shortcut to save the written code. Okay, here if you get in the star means, see, here 1 2 3 print, I'm telling one more thing. If you're getting the star means, it doesn't mean it is not saved. Okay, so just you have to control S, so it will be saved automatically. Okay, now you got to know what is while, what is for, what is the use of this, when we have to use starting condition, ending condition, and increment point. And this one is nothing but like we are using a while loop. We don't know how many times we have to repeat, but we know the condition, then we can use while loop. Okay, okay, then next what we have to do. Now, in next, we will be learning do while loop. The do while loop is like a while loop, but it runs at least once, even if the condition is false. Okay, so if here I'm getting the number 5 means it will not work, right? So do while loop is nothing but it is like a while loop, but it runs at least once, even if the condition is false. Okay, so for that we'll be using that. Okay, so let me write same int. I will write x equal to 1. Okay, first I have to write do. Okay, now for this, just it will be doing. Okay, it is not I mean expecting any condition in this. Okay, do, what should you have to do, it should have to print. Okay, what I'm doing, print here taking x equal to 1, right? So I have to write x here, x. Okay, I'll be printing x, n plus plus n plus, sorry, x plus plus x. Okay, done. So I have written do. For that I have to write one condition, while condition, right? So while, how many times it have to print, while x less than or equal to 0, x less than or equal to 0. Okay, now let me run this. You can see the number 1. Okay, so here what it do is nothing but executes the block, and while condition, while, and this is the condition, like it checks after running. It checks after running. First it will print, then after that it will check and it will stop. And if I write here 2, you can see number 1 2 like that. Okay, so what I want to tell is like you taste food before deciding if it needs more salt. Okay, see, you are tasting the food before deciding whether it needs a salt. That is do while. So simple things I want to explain again and again, like just tell me, I will tell you the difference between while and do while is nothing but, in while we are using a while loop when we are not sure how many times we want to repeat, but we know the condition. When we use do while loop, Do while loop also is also a same like while loop, but it runs at least once even if the condition is false. Okay, at the false, if in while loop it is false, then it won't execute the code that is there in the while. In do while, if the condition is also false, it will display at least once. Okay, so I am going to give one question that it will be in the description. I will tell you orally now. Like write a for loop that prints number from 10 to 1. Okay. So till now what I have done, I have starting from increment I have done. Okay. I giving the hint also. See, I have done the increment 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like that. What I am telling, I want the loop that to be written from 10 to 1. Okay, decrement I want. Okay, so the 10 will be the highest and the condition at will be the lowest will be 1. Starting and closing, and we have to write a decrement. So how to write? Just think. Okay, so drop it in your like if you are getting any error or if you are not sure what to do, then drop that in the comment section. I will definitely reply to that. Okay, so and in the next video we are going to learn about array. So stay tuned, and I will be providing the question in the description as well, so please check it. So thank you guys for watching my video.